Question 91. How do you handle security in Azure DevOps pipelines? I implement security best practices by using secure coding standards, role-based access control, secrets management, and encryption. Regular security scans, compliance checks, and monitoring help identify and mitigate vulnerabilities in pipelines. Question 92. Explain the concept of infrastructure as code, IAC, in the context of Azure DevOps. IAC involves managing and provisioning infrastructure through code rather than manual processes. In Azure DevOps, tools like ARM templates or Terraform enable the automated deployment of resources, ensuring consistency, scalability, and version control. Question 93. How do you integrate Azure DevOps with other tools in the CI/CD pipeline? I leverage Azure DevOps integrations with tools like GitHub, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, and SonarQube to automate build, test, and deployment processes. I configure webhooks, APIs, and plugins to enable seamless communication and collaboration between different tools. Question 94. How do you optimize Azure DevOps pipelines for performance and cost efficiency? I optimize pipelines by using caching, parallel jobs, incremental builds, and serverless computing to reduce execution time and resource consumption. Continuous monitoring, analysis, and tuning help identify and eliminate bottlenecks, improving performance and cost effectiveness. Question 95. How do you troubleshoot and resolve issues in Azure DevOps pipelines? I troubleshoot pipeline issues by analyzing logs, debugging scripts, checking dependencies, and validating configurations. I use built-in diagnostic tools, alerts, and notifications to identify failures, implement fixes, and prevent recurrence through root cause analysis. Question 96. Can you explain the concept of blue-green deployment in Azure DevOps? Blue-green deployment is a deployment strategy that involves running two identical production environments, one active, blue, and one idle, green. In Azure DevOps, this approach allows seamless and zero-downtime deployments by switching traffic between environments, ensuring reliability and rapid rollbacks. Question 97. How do you implement continuous monitoring and feedback in Azure DevOps pipelines? I implement monitoring by integrating tools like Azure Monitor, Application Insights, or Prometheus to collect metrics, logs, and telemetry data from pipelines. I set up alerts, dashboards, and reports to track performance, detect anomalies, and provide feedback for continuous improvement and optimization. Question 98. Can you explain the concept of GitOps and its relevance to Azure DevOps? GitOps is a DevOps methodology that uses Git as the single source of truth for infrastructure and application configurations. In Azure DevOps, GitOps principles enable declarative, version-controlled, and automated management of infrastructure, deployments, and changes, promoting collaboration and transparency. Question 99. How do you ensure compliance and governance in Azure DevOps pipelines? I ensure compliance by implementing policies, controls, and audits to enforce security, regulatory, and operational requirements in pipelines. I define compliance standards, automate checks, and generate reports to monitor and enforce governance, ensuring adherence to standards and mitigating risks. Question 100. How do you design and architect scalable solutions using Azure DevOps? I design scalable solutions by leveraging Azure services like Azure App Service, Azure Functions, Azure Kubernetes Service, or Azure SQL Database in architectures. I follow best practices, patterns, and principles like microservices, serverless, and event-driven design to build resilient, flexible, and scalable solutions in Azure DevOps. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.